Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you some most attractive and beautiful designing ideas of crochet table runners. You will see beautiful designs of patchwork table runners in this video, and one row or two repeat pattern table runners are also included in this video. So you will see both type of designing ideas of patchwork and simple patterns as well. All of these designs are very attractive and gorgeous, and different crochet stitches are used in making these patterns. Most of the designs are having double crochet stitch as major stitch used in them, and single crochet or double crochet stitch is also used at few points of table runners in some designs as well. And you can see these designs are also having very attractive and beautiful flower work of crochet. Simple 2-layer flowers, 3D crochet flowers, 3-layer flowers are made in some of the patchwork designs and other designs as well. In most of the patchwork designs, flower is made in the center of patch, and then laced oily patterns or other different round or other different square patterns are made, which are giving an extremely unique and beautiful look. You can see this beautiful unique butterfly pattern as well, which is also very unique in its color scheme. And you can see most of the designs with flower work are made in different contrasting color schemes, and very attractive and beautiful color schemes are used to make them. So you can just give them a try in your table, dining table, and you can just use them by making them by yourself at home. If you know crochet work, you can see all of these patterns are different lacy patterns and very easy to make. So you can easily make them. If you know crochet work, you can just take a screenshot of the design which you like the most and you want to make, and you can make it by yourself at home. If you don't know crochet work at all, you can also give them a try by purchasing them online from different websites, like you can visit etsy.com or Amazon for this purpose as well, which are both huge platforms for all types of products. And especially etsy.com is a platform for all types of handmade products, so you can visit Etsy, and these are worldwide platforms as well, so you can purchase from anywhere in the world. So if you love this collection and want more ideas videos like this on my channel, then just subscribe if you are new, and after pressing the red subscribe button, press the bell icon and then all option as well, so that whenever I upload any video, you can get notifications of each and you won't miss any future update from this channel. So just stay connected and share this video with other handmade products lover, so that they can also get benefit from these type of ideas videos which contain latest trends and designs of different handmade products. So thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself and your family. Remember me in prayers. Bye.